Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
In November, the spacecraft InSight made a successful landing on the planet Mars. Touchdown.
Touchdown confirmed.
NASA scientists cheered as the spacecraft communicated it was safely on Mars. Its mission will examine the inside of the red planet. The information will permit scientists to study how a rocky body forms and becomes a planet.
A touchdown is when an airplane or spacecraft touches the ground at the end of a flight.
In the games of rugby and American football, it is the act of scoring points by taking the ball across the opponent's goal line.